So today we are going to do the solutions, the question and answers of coal and petroleum chapter. Okay. So the first question, what are the advantages of using CNG and LPG as fuels? So what is CNG? CNG is compressed natural gas and LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. Now the answer. The advantages of using CNG and LPG as fuels are as follows. So number one, CNG and LPG burn easily. Then CNG and LPG give a lot of heat energy when burned. Then CNG and LPG can be transported easily through pipelines. Now the second question. Name the petroleum product used for surfacing of roads. So the petroleum product used for surfacing of roads is bitumen. Okay. Then third question. Describe how coal is formed from dead vegetation and what is this process called. So about 300 million years ago, the earth had dense forests in low-lying wetland areas. Due to natural processes like flooding, these forests got buried under the soil. As more soil deposited over them, they got compressed. The temperature also rose as they sank deeper and deeper. Under high pressure and high temperature, dead plants got slowly converted to coal. As coal contains mainly carbon, so the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. Okay. So the answer to this second part, what is this process called, is carbonization. Okay. Now filling the blanks. So fossil fuels are coal, petroleum and natural gas. So these are the blanks over here. Then the process of separation of different constituents from petroleum is called refining. Okay, and then we get several products like kerosene, diesel, LPG, etc. Then the least polluting fuel for a vehicle is CNG, compressed natural gas. The fifth one, true and false. So the first one, fossil fuels can be made in the laboratory. No, this is false. Then CNG is more polluting fuel than petrol. This is also false. We have just read in filling the blanks that it is least polluting fuel. Okay. Now coke is the most pure form of carbon. Yes, this is true. Then coal tar is mixture of various substances. Yes, about 200 substances. Okay. Then kerosene is not a fossil fuel. This is also false. Kerosene is a fossil fuel along with coal, petroleum and natural gas. Okay. Then question 6. Explain why fossil fuels are exhaustible natural resources. Now what are exhaustible natural resources? Which get exhausted, which get finished after some time. So the process of formation of fossil fuels requires millions of years. Okay. These were formed from the dead remains of living organisms which are called fossils. Thus fossils are limited. Therefore the use of fossil fuels at a rapid rate will lead to their exhaustion. Okay. If we will use it at a rapid rate, if we will use it more, then it will get exhausted, right? Then seventh question, describe the characteristics and uses of coke. So these are the characteristics. So the characteristics are, coke is tough and porous, coke is black in color. Then what are the uses of coal? So coal is used in the manufacture of steel. Then it is also used in the extraction of many metals. Then eighth question, explain the process of formation of petroleum. Now how petroleum was formed? So petroleum was formed from organisms living in the sea. As these organisms died, their bodies settled at the bottom of the sea and got covered with layers of sand and clay. Then under high temperature, high pressure, it slowly got converted into petroleum. Then over millions of years, absence of air, high temperature, high pressure, transformed the dead organisms into petroleum and natural gas. Okay. These are how these products are formed. Okay, after millions of years, these products get decomposed when there is absence of air, high temperature and high pressure. So now here we come to the end of this back exercise. Thank you.